Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 22. This is Section 1.4, Problem 22. It says Nathan is 183 centimeters tall. His brother Andrew is 191 centimeters tall. How much taller is Andrew? So this becomes a subtraction problem. I need to subtract the two heights. I'll put the larger value as the top number, and I will subtract the smaller number beneath it. So that will set up 191, the height for Andrew, minus 183, the height for Nathan, and I'll subtract. So I start in the rightmost column of digits, and that starts me off with 1 minus 3. Now 3 is too large to subtract away from the 1, so I need to borrow. So what that's going to do is push me over one column of digits to the left. The number in the upper position of that column is a 9. I'll cross it off and reduce it to an 8. That will allow me to put a 1 in front of the one that I have in the rightmost column of digits, and it'll become an 11. So now I have to do 11 minus 3, which is 8. Now, as I move over one column of digits to the left, 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. And actually, the next column over to the left is also a 0, so you don't really need to write 0, 0, 8. We just say the answer is 8. And since it's given with some units of measure, we should include the same units of measure in the answer. The question stated the heights in centimeters, so our answer should be in centimeters. And you can certainly write out the word centimeters, but you can abbreviate it cm. That's the standard abbreviation for centimeters. So the answer is Andrew is 8 centimeters taller than his brother Nathan.